If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To apply a shape style to any Excel chart or chart elements, first select any chart in Excel or chart element in Excel. Then click to select the preset shape style to apply from the choices shown in the Shape Styles button group on the Format Contextual tab in the ribbon. Alternatively, to apply your own custom shape formatting to a selected chart in Excel or a chart element, use the Shape Fill, Shape Outline, and Shape Effects drop-down buttons. To customize the inner fill of the currently selected chart in Excel or chart element, click the Shape Fill button. Then select a fill color, picture, gradient, or texture to apply from the choices in the drop-down menu that appears. To customize the appearance of the border of the currently selected chart object, click the Shape Outline drop-down. Then select a border color or line color in the drop-down menu that appears. You can also roll your mouse pointer down to the Weight, Dashes, or Arrows commands and then select a desired choice from the side menu that appears. Note that many of the side menus have a More command at the bottom of the drop-down menu. You can always select this command to open the Formatting task pane for the selected object to show all the formatting options. To apply a custom shape effect to a selected chart in Excel or chart element, click the Shape Effects dropdown. Then roll down to the General Effect category to apply in the drop-down menu that appears. Then select the desired variant to apply from the side menu of choices that appears. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.